whenever you take up a brand and you endorse it, there's always, at least for me, a certain emotional connect. And it's been so with me with Garnier Pure Active Neem face wash before, and now finally with Garnier Fructis. And you may not believe me, but it's fine. But I've used Garnier Fructis probably all my life. And today we are proudly unveiling the new Fructis Triple Nutrition range, which I am very, very excited about because I've used it. And you know, when you're an actor, at least in my life, every day you're doing styling, you're blow drying your hair, you're doing different things, which tends to tire your hair. You know, when you overwork your body, you get tired. Sometimes your hair also gets tired. So you need to give it its utmost nutrition. And Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition does that because it has a combination of almond, olive oils, and coconut oil. And it, as the MC said before, it works through scalps, through roots to tips. And that's something that and it's triple strengthen and triple nutrition. And I feel like at the end of the day, if we go as actors and as people, we go to dietitians for, you know, to nutrition our body, we should do the same thing for our hair because, you know, you always want to look beautiful with your hair. It's been a great experience, as I mentioned before. It's very nice when you and the brand have the same ideologies and you believe in the same things when it comes to marketing a product or, you know, trying to sell it to the consumers. So whatever, like the advertisement that we did, it was very young, it was very fresh. See, all of us are human. You can't look perfect all the time. So there are going to be bad hair days, but nobody likes bad hair days. So here's your solution to bad hair days, you know. And it's also not about it's not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. And when you want to feel good in terms of, you know, your body and your health, you also should take care of your hair because your hair also needs that utmost attention and nutrition that you give your body. So I had a great time working with the team. And yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. As I said, because, at least in my life, because I'm either we're traveling or shooting or something like that, so you have to keep your hair clean, you have to keep it healthy. So, first things comes to you have to know, you have to wash your hair regularly. You can't go 4 days without washing your hair, you know. So I do wash my hair every alternate day, sometimes every day. So that's the first thing, cleansing. Secondly, you know, everybody takes like vitamins for their skin and for their, you know, for their personal care. You also have vitamins for your hair. So there is a vitamins that I take, the skin, hair, and nails. So that also helps. And last, but definitely not the least, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. It gives you all the nutrition you need for your hair. So that is probably the top most point in my personal hair care. मैं अपने सारे friends को gift करना चाहूँगी. In fact, मैंने उनको already I've given it to them. And whoever comes by me, I always tell them, you must use Garnier Fructis. You must use it. So I'll give it to one particular person you're asking. No, you want one of those answers. I gifted Pariniti. See, when you use a product, you use it as a consumer. You don't, what is being told to you is what you're understanding, what goes behind the product, what it caters to, what it helps you do. I know that after using this, I felt like my hair has become more healthy. Like I don't have hair fall. I don't have, you long and strong would, I believe that I have a fast growing hair, you know, pace. Like my hair grows fast. I believe that. And it's happened while I was using it. The product is saying that is long and strong. This is triple nutrition. This talks about nutrition of the hair.